Earlier, you could call CRA after you have your business registration done to get business number. This business number is used to interact with federal, provincial, or municipal government programs, basically for tax reporting. And in case you're going for importing, exporting of goods, so registering certain types of program accounts, in that case, this business number would be required, which is a 9-digit number as you see on the screen. You just had to call CRA and over phone, they would have given you this business number. If you look at this latest, it says effective November 3, 2025, CRA will no longer accept the business number or CRA program account registration by phone. So there were many other things which other than business number like GST, HST, payroll reduction, corporation, all of this what you see, you could have just called CRA earlier and they would have given you the number almost instantly. Now, the only option is that you have to register using the business registration online. So note that between 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the system maintenance time. Other than that, you have access to this online system anytime and you have to come to this CRA sign in. The link will be there in the description. Otherwise, just by doing a search, you will be able to find. And for business owner, select add account and then business account, select the business registration online. So in case you're doing this for the first time, you'll have to go and register for CRA account, which I have made a separate video. The link will be there in the description. Once you have the CRA account, you will be able to log in by coming to this CRA sign in page. The CRA account for business and individual were separate, but now when you go to your personal account through CRA, you'll be able to see both personal and business account. So it's all at one place now. I already have a CRA user ID and password, so I'll log in. If not, you will have to create the CRA account first. You can check my other video. I am on the CRA account right now and you can see the individual and the business account. Both are on the same place. So in case you don't see this, you come here to add account. Once you click here, you see this shows business account. You can see register for business online or add a business number to appear on your welcome page. And this is where you come and click. Once you click, you come to this page, business registration online and add business number. So this can be confusing. Here, only when you already have a 9-digit business number, you come and input that business number by clicking here. If not, when you're doing this for the first time, you will have to log out of CRA account and take to the business registration online service. So you see here, click on this. Here on this page, you will confirm your user identity. So basically, you will enter the location as work or home, then device type. I have selected cell here and area code. Here, if it is a mobile, you will enter the first 3 digit of mobile number here, followed by remaining 7 digit here. If it is a telephone number, in that case, in case you have extension, you can enter that. Otherwise, for the 10-digit number, first 3 digit will go here, followed by the remaining 7 number. If you try to enter 10 digit here, it will not take that input. Once this is done, once you enter the detail and click next, you see here, do not use the browser navigation button or the refresh or backspace button, as this will not let you change any information on the previous page. I'm not going to the next page. Once this is done, after this, it's quite simple to take things forward. I already have a business number, so I'm not going ahead. In case you are stuck somewhere, do comment in the section and I'll be more than happy to share.